Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing some really simple activities like how to run and jump. We're just gonna have some fun, right guys?
Yeah.
Already knows how to do these things because he learned them in therapy, but we had to do this over and over again before he got comfortable.
Hi, my name is Williams, and this is Williams Loves to Learn. And Zeta too.
There. Okay. Thank you. All right. So what's the first thing we should do? I think you should show me how to jump. Good job. Good job jumping.
I forgot something. Clap for yourselves.
Clap for yourselves.
1, 2, 3, 4,
William,
5,
speak that
6,
way.
7, 8, 9,
All right. Show me how to walk. All right. Good job. Clap for yourselves.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right. Go back that way.
Alright.
Show me how to run. All right. All right. Okay, get back in there. Okay, now show me how to.
You forgot something.
Oh, clap yourself.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now show me how to hop. Okay, good hopping, guys. Now show me. Oh, clap, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Hey, that's enough clapping. Okay, now show me how to climb.
How do we climb this?
Okay, well, yeah, we get the picture. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, get down.
I want to see the picture. Hey, I want to see too.
What I mean is, I get what you're trying to do. You're trying to climb. Okay, go over there. Now show me how to. Oh, clap, clap, clap.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
Alright, that's enough clapping.
13, 14,
Get back in my camera, guys.
17, 18, 19, 20.
Alright,
That's
now
enough clapping.
show me how to reach for something. How do you reach for something? Okay, good job. Now I
You
want.
forgot something.
Oh, clap, clap, clap.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, go back to the camera. Okay, now I need you to teach some kids how to point. I want.
That's the low.
Okay, so let's say you don't know what it's called, Mama. What would you do? You would say, I want, and then point.
I want.
And you point. Good. Williams, your turn. Say, I want, and point.
I want.
Good.
I want.
Good job. Williams, do it again. I want. Point. Williams, you have to point and keep your finger there so I can see what you want. I want. And then look at me and make sure I'm seeing what you're pointing at. Good job. So that way I know exactly what you're pointing at.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's say you want the pink balloon, Williams. How the pink balloon right there by the couch. How do you show me you want the pink balloon if you don't know the name?
I want
What are you pointing at?
the balloon.
Yeah, but Can you like go closer to it? I want.
I want.
Good. Zita, come point to the pink balloon for me.
Yeah.
I want.
Yeah. I want. Ooh.
Good job. Oh, you want Williams?
No, I want the pink balloon.
Okay, so how do I know it's the pink balloon?
You want me?
How do I know it's the pink balloon, Mama? What do you
Because
want?
Williams is blocking me.
Well, show me what you want.
I want
What?
the pink balloon.
No, don't tell me the name. So how do you
I
show
want.
me? Mm-hmm. You can touch it.
I want.
Let me see. Good. That way I know you're talking about the pink balloon. Good job, guys. Good job pointing. Okay, so now. Oh, clap yourselves.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
That's not clapping.
Oh!
That's not clapping.
That's
Touch clapping. Okay. Okay, now, Mama, that's enough. Okay, now we're gonna do facial expression. So Zita, show me your happy face. Williams, your turn. Show me your happy face. Good job, guys. Clap yourselves.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
That's enough. That's enough. Zita, show me your sad face. You're smiling. Show me your sad face.
I can't.
You can't show me your sad face. Williams, show me your sad face.
I want to show your sad face.
Good job. Show me your sad face. Okay. All right. You guys go back there. I can't even see you. Stop the camera. Go back.
Ah,
Stop. Go back.
get off.
Zita, show me your surprise face. Good job. Williams, show me your surprise face.
No, that's scared. Scared.
Yeah, that looks scary, right? Williams, come here. Show me your surprise face.
That's
I know,
scared.
that would do. That would do. Okay, clap yourselves.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep clapping.
That's too much clapping.
Too much.
Okay. Zita, show me your angry face. Williams, your turn. Show me your.
No, I want to do it.
Wait, let me see, Williams. Mama, move your big hair.
No.
Williams, show me your angry face, please. That's your angry face?
Mm-hmm. I'm super angry.
You're super angry? You're super angry. Okay, show me your sleepy face. Okay, good job, guys. Show me your tired face. That's definitely tired with you yawning. That's good, Williams. Okay. Clap yourselves.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
else haven't we done? Show me, Mama, I can't see you. Stand over there. Show me frustrated. Show me frustrated.
I don't know frustrated. No, that's sad. I don't know frustrated.
I know that one is hard.
Hi.
I'm frustrated.
I'm frustrated. I'm
Well,
frustrated.
good job, guys. Do you think there's another one we need to show?
Yes.
What do you think? Which one?
Scared.
Okay, show me scared.
Ah.
Show me scared.
Wrong.
Oh, okay. That's a good one. All right, Williams, which other one do you think we should show?
I think weak. Weak.
We should show weak? Show me weak. Huh?
Ouchie.
Hey, I just touched your tummy. Don't be so dramatic. I just poked your tummy. Is that everything?
No.
For now?
Yeah. No.
Rosita, what do you have?
I have. I have another.
What is it?
I like climb.
Oh, okay, you have nothing. That's what it is. You have nothing.
No, climb.
You already did climb. Alright, guys, say bye to the kids.
No, we have to do climb.
You already did climb, Mama. Say bye, kids.
Bye, kids.
Mama, say bye, kids.
Bye, kids. I have to do climbing.
You already did climb.
But we already did. But we should bite for ourselves. We're kids. Please subscribe. Thank you.